Tama. Mo na game mo ni Jim Ron Gamini. O ano na scalable. For you have global opportunity to build business over 90 countries. Herbalife business opportunity supporting with new skills and develop personally with the support of our experienced fellow members in the community. Dahil mga tools na kitang makatulang natin na Herbalife sa mga activities. Meaning goals and value to your life and community by helping others. Rewarding, recognize, and award gives for your hard work and effort. Income potential. We have helped customers to reach their goals. Build a team to reach more customers and grow your business. Average time ways to potentially earn. Retail profit, meaning no discount. Wholesale profit, trade discount, annual bonus, monthly production bonus, and royalty. Your position determines the potential benefits from 55% to 50% that member discount.